Google Chrome is one of the most popular web browsers out there. It's fast, secure, and it's a great alternative option for Safari that comes pre-installed on your Mac. To install Google Chrome, open up Safari by clicking on the icon in the dock. Now, in the address field at the very top of the window, write Google Chrome and press Enter. In the search results, find a link with the name Google Chrome web browser and click on it. Straight away, you'll see a blue button that says Download Chrome. Click on that and then click on the blue button that says Accept to accept Google's terms and conditions. Now the download will start and you can see the progress of the download by clicking the icon that has an arrow pointing down in it, in the top right of the Safari window. When the download has finished, double-click on the file googlechrome.dmg. After the file has been verified, a new window will show up on your screen. In this window, you're going to want to drag and drop the Google Chrome icon to the Applications folder just below it. You can now close this window and click on the Finder icon at the very left in your dock, the happy face icon. On the left side of the Finder window, look for Applications and click on it. Now scroll until you find the Google Chrome icon. In order to be able to find Google Chrome more easily in the future, drag and drop the icon to your dock. Now click on the Google Chrome icon in your dock. A new window will pop up. You can keep the default settings and just click on Start Google Chrome. Your computer will ask you if you want to change your default browser. We suggest that you do this, so click on Use Chrome. And that's it! Now Google Chrome should be opened and you can start using it straight away. Optionally, if you have a Google account, you can turn on the sync feature, which will keep all your bookmarks, passwords, and browsing history synchronized across your devices that use Google Chrome. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on how to use your Apple devices.